Welcome to a new video on tutorials for Moon Invoice application. Today we will see some of the additional features available with the application that can help you make certain changes to the application for better usage. Let's check the options in Settings tab. The App Settings option will help you to make certain changes to the application. Here is a list of available options here. You can choose the toggle buttons available in front of them to make changes to these options. Inline discount, inline summary discounts. This option will help you to hide and show the discounts from the application. Let's check this. The options are currently toggled as show. As you can see that there is a column of discount available here. Let's see what happens if the option is marked as hide. As you can see, the column for discount is no longer available while creating the invoice. Let's move on to other options in the app settings tab. Show due date. This option will allow you, just like the discounts, to show or hide the due date. Packaging slip generator will allow you to show and hide the packaging slip generator for the application. Shipping address, shipping cost and method. For example, if you are selling a service, you don't need to provide the shipping address and shipping cost or method for it. You can just hide these details here and it won't be visible in the application. Product stock option will allow you to hide and show option to keep the stocking for your products. Append date in invoice, append project in invoice, append note in invoice. These option is related to the time log tab available here. While creating an invoice for your time logs, you'll be able to show certain details depending upon the features selected by you. As you can see here that the date and notes are available as per the option selected by us here. Moving on, the report type option will allow you to choose from cash-based or accrual-based reports. The task and product option can help you to hide and show these details from the application. The negative value format will help you to show your negative numbers in a bracket. By choosing this option, you can make these changes. The currency code option will help you to show the currency code for the numbers for the amounts that are entered in the application. Similarly, the total hours or quantity option will allow you to show and hide these details. Inline text, just as the discount, you can hide the text column from the application. Let's check it. Here you can see that there is a column for the texts available here. Let's make the changes in the settings tab, app settings, inline text. Let's see what the changes are. As you can see that there is no longer a column of tax available. Moving on. The last option available is line description full width. By choosing to hide and show, you can make changes to the line description full width. Moreover, you can filter the available options by clicking on the filter option available here. This would allow you to filter the options for different available tabs. As you can see that there is an option for invoice, estimate, purchase order, credit note, etc. Just select the invoice to see only the options that would affect the invoice tab of the application. You can just select all and remove all the filters to see all the options. So these are the options available with the app settings in the settings tab of the application. Thank you.